Hey guys, this is Sulema here, and the bezel-less display is trend these days, and we have seen some of the biggest flagship devices including Apple iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S8 and Note 8, LG V30 and Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 and Essential P1. Out of all these, the Essential P1 come with the highest screen to the body ratio of 84.9%, and the Galaxy Note 8 comes with an 84% screen body ratio, the most expensive smartphone till date. The iPhone X comes with the 82.9% screen to body ratio. What do you think? Will the highest screen to body ratio with a device launching in 2018? The answer is 100% yes. You heard right. Samsung is gearing up to coming with a true bezel-less free device. Galaxy Z that will have screen body ratio of 100%. If you're wondering if the phone display will be complete bezel-less free one, where will be the front camera go? You do not worry, as the Samsung will give up with an under display camera. The phone will switch off the pixel if the front camera when using the front camera. The camera only visible when it is in use, but will not visible when not in use. The phone will also use software algorithm to correct the distortion created by the display. Samsung will replace the physical volume rockers with a virtual one, reduce, repair and increase water resistant. The home button on Galaxy Z will come under display home button as well, which will be pressure sensitive one. The fingerprint sensor will also come embedded in the screen that will active whenever user apply finger pressure to the area of the screen. Until now, no official statement has been made by the company, but if the rumors are to be believed, the phone will come with the highest screen to the body ratio a phone can have. As indicated as we are, it is very difficult to wait for the phone to unveil next year or even later. Do let us know your views over the rumored Galaxy Z smartphone in the comment section. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So see you in the next one. Bye.